Hey everyone! Today, we're learning 5 words that'll make you sound super smart, but don't worry, they're actually pretty easy to use. No need to sound like you swallowed a dictionary. Let's start with an easy one. Unanimous. This basically means everyone agrees on something. Like if I ask you guys if pizza is the greatest food invention ever, and you all nod vigorously, that'd be a unanimous decision. Now, whether that unanimous decision is actually correct is a whole other debate. Imagine you're walking on eggshells. You never know when you might take a wrong step and crack. Disaster strikes. That, my friends, is volatile. It means something that's liable to erupt or change rapidly and unpredictably. Like your computer restarting in the middle of a crucial document update. Volatile. Ecstasy. Now, this word is all about feeling on cloud nine, like the feeling you get when you finally crush your biggest goal, or maybe the pure joy of dancing like nobody's watching, even though they probably are. Ecstasy is pure happiness, bliss, or a feeling of utter delight. It can be caused by all sorts of things, from achieving something amazing to simply experiencing a beautiful sunset. Hey, whatever floats your boat. Ever forget where you parked your car? Happens to the best of us. Mnemonics are like tricks to help you remember things. They can be silly rhymes or songs that make it easier to recall stuff. For example, Roy G. BIV helps you remember the colors of the rainbow in order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Finally, we have preamble. Don't let the fancy name fool you. It's basically the intro, the opening act before the main performance. You know, that part of a speech or a contract that most people skim over, that's the preamble. It sets the stage for what's to come, but let's be honest, it's usually filled with legalese that could lull you to sleep faster than counting sheep. All right, that's your vocabulary lesson for today. Now you can go out there and impress your friends, or maybe just confuse them a little, with your newfound knowledge of these fancy words. But remember, using big words isn't about showing off. It's about using them clearly to communicate like a normal human being. So, keep it simple, keep it real, and we'll see you next time for another round of vocabulary fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, because let's face it, memorizing all this stuff is hard. You might need a mnemonic for that.